So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm making this video after a long 2 weeks approximately, and guys, this is my last video of February. After this I'm not going to post because my exams are very near. So in this video guys, we are going to take a look at the new ROM that I've installed, and this is the perfect ROM for you guys, for the Miui lovers. So guys, let me just the brightness real quick. Okay, and there we go. So this is the Xiaomi.EU Miui ROM, as you can see. So let me just focus real quick, and as you can see guys, this is the Miui 9.5 Xiaomi.EU 8.2.1 beta. You get the beta update for this ROM like every global beta ROM. Don't know what my camera, yes, so you get the every component. We have got the settings real quick, and let me just scroll down and let me just pop this out, and we are going to do all specs. And as you can see, the model name is Redmi Note 4X. Let me just zoom. Redmi Note 4X, and the device name is Redmi. Miui version is 9.3 by Xiaomi.EU. 8.2 Android version is 7. So guys, this is the custom ROM by Xiaomi.EU, and it provides very good features. Like, you have got the face unlock on the lock screen. Let me show you. So okay, it can't see me right now, as you can see, can't recognize you, and it is asking for the password. So let me just try once again. So I'm bringing my phone near the camera, and it unlocks. So guys, as you can see, my all fingers are here, and let me just do it guys again for you. Okay, it's having some problems, so yes. Okay guys, for some reasons it's not working that great as always. Yes, here it works. So as you can see, I've got the face unlock set up, and it works fine for sometimes it has an issue. And to install it, you must be having a TWRP recovery installed on your phone, and you can get the file link down in the description. You can download it and install it on Redmi Note 4. So the first feature is this face unlock, and on the lock screen you get this beautiful wallpaper, and there are, instead of the Mi remote and Mi home, you have got the 4 other things like contacts, calendars, calculators, and notes. So if you want to, for example, if you're a phone with anyone on the landline, and if you want to note down something, you can just swipe right on the lock screen and click this and enter your password, and you are open to the notes. So this is the notes section guys, and let me just press home. So this is the overall UI. It is very much clear, great, fast, and responsive. The battery life is also good in this ROM. I'm on 56% or something like that. It's 57% right now, and it's very great, bro. Since it's a MIUI based ROM, its battery is great. So the next feature is that the camera guys. So I have rooted my phone for once and enabled the camera to API for the Google camera to work, and this is the Google camera guys. So as you are familiar with all the options real quick. So the options are, first one is the HDR plus. This is the timer. This is I don't know, a grid option something. This is the temperature, I mean the coloredness of the picture, and this is the flashlight. Let me just show you. The camera is having a focusing issue guys. Yes. So if you swipe here, you have got one more mode, that is the portrait mode, but I am not going to show you in this video what is portrait mode and how it works. I am just going to take a picture and show you. Sorry guys, I'm not able to take a picture. So let me just show you the HDR plus mode. You have already seen it from my other videos. Portrait mode video is coming on 2-3 days after now, and this ROM works pretty fine. The status bar is not as updated as the Miui. I have updated its status bar, and this is the camera, contacts, everything works. VoLT is working fine on this ROM, and this is the assistant. Unfortunately, you don't get a book a cab option here because this is a China-based ROM, and this is all the apps here, and you get a new feature that is a game booster. And the surprising thing is, guys, that it did boosted the performance of the CPU. When I used Antutu benchmark, it boosted the performance, and the score was around 78,000. That is really good compared to the previous scores which I have seen by myself with my eyes. That is the 58,000 something, to 20% increase in the score of the phone. It's 78,000. So you can get the game options right here, like do not disturb mode activate and low power mode and all that stuff. So that is the ROM, guys. So let me just go to settings and see if I missed anything or not. So yes, so if you want to add the face unlock feature, you can go to lock screen and securities or passwords and click here on manage face data and confirm your pattern and all that stuff, and you can delete or add or whatever other thing. And you got the Miui and lab here real quick, but it does not work for now because it hasn't been updated. And yeah, that is the ROM, guys. It is also Miui 8.2.1, so you have got the new clock widget from Xiaomi, so I will say thanks to Xiaomi for that. And yeah, guys, that is the ROM. So let me just call one geo number 1921. I'm gonna click call here. Okay guys, it's wrong. Let me just dial 199. So okay, the phone is not answering or stuff like that, but the VoLT is working, guys, as you saw there. So guys, that is the ROM for this video, and the portrait mode video is coming very soon. And give a like, and if you want to install it, you can install it from the links below. You can also, guys, follow me on Instagram @phonebunch_15, and you can subscribe to the channel, guys. Yeah, guys, that is the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.